Hi, welcome to my CHY tutorial video presentations. In this video, I want to make some clarifications about the confusion between activation and upgrade. I did a video yesterday, the 24th into the 25th, which I published, and from the comments and the reactions, I realized a number of people are confusing the activation of a newly registered account with the upgrade of an existing account, especially when it comes to the use of the activation point. You know, before these new upgrades and then the updates, we used to use just consumption points for activation and then for upgrade. But following the advanced credit and then the upgrade system, we realized at this time you need consumption points with activation points in order to activate a new account. And then I realize a number of us are confusing that with the upgrade, where you have an existing account. A number of people are saying that with the upgrade, if you don't have activation points, you cannot upgrade your account. It means you need both activation and consumption points, but that is not the truth, because I just activated 2 accounts from VIP 4 to VIP 5 yesterday with just consumption points of 300 points, and then I upgraded them. So I just want to do this video and then to just show you the practicality of it, so that those of us who are not abreast with the reality of it, we can see that yes, you need activation points and consumption points to become a VIP or to become an activated account. But when it comes to an upgrade of an existing account, you don't need activation points. You just need consumption points. All right, so let's go in. I have 2 accounts. I just created 1 account right now for demonstration purposes. So we are into that account. And you know, if you want to activate your account, you come to the home page and then you select become or be a VIP. Okay, so that is where you begin from, and then all the products for becoming a VIP comes up, and then you can see VIP 1, VIP 5, 7, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So this is a VIP 2 account. So you look for the appropriate VIP and then you select a product for that VIP. So that's one difference between activation and upgrade. In activation, you buy a product, but when it comes to an upgrade, you just load your account balance with the appropriate consumption points. You don't need to buy a product. That is why you don't receive a product for upgrade. You don't earn commission for upgrade. You just load your consumption points and then you go ahead and then you do your upgrade. But when you want to become a VIP, which we call activation, you need to purchase a product. So this is what we are doing here. And so I want to just demonstrate. I will not do the right payment, but I want us to get to the payment portal so that you will compare the payment portal with the upgrade payment portal, so that we understand once and for all. And those of us who are still confused about this system, we will see. So you select the number, you select everything there, and then you move consignee address. We don't have it, so we enter it there. Let me just put all these details there. Okay, so let me leave this number there. Let me put 0206 229855. All right, so this is our consignee address, and then we select it as the default, and then self pickup or deliver to me through the service center. And then we go to the next, we go to continue to pay. So you see VIP 2, that's the activation amount that you are going to buy that product for. Okay, so we go to the payment portal. So you see the difference. Take note at this point for me, because this is where you will see the difference clearly. Amount of consumption points is $35 plus activation points of $15. That is what you need. So you realize that that is what has been selected: consumption points and active or activation points. That is what you need for activation. That is to become a VIP, and that is what you need for the activation. So take note of what we are seeing at the payment portal here. This is where you are activating a newly registered account. This is not an upgrade. So you need consumption point of 70% and activation point of 30%. So for the $50, $35 consumption point, that's 70%, and $15 activation point, which is 30%. That gives you the $50. So you need consumption points plus activation points to activate a VIP. That is a newly registered account that has not become an active VIP. You need consumption points plus activation points in order to activate a VIP, and the percentages are 70 consumption points and 30% activation points. So I'll end it here. I'm not activating the account because I don't have the appropriate activation points. I have consumption points. But so I just wanted for us to reach the payment portal so that you see that for the activation, you need consumption points and activation points. But when it comes to upgrade, you don't need that. So I'll take you to another account, and then here it is. And then we try to upgrade also, and then we will see the difference. Okay, so this is a VIP 5 account. That is one of the accounts I upgraded yesterday from VIP 4 to VIP 5. So we are going to try to upgrade this account once again, and then we'll see the difference. So member upgrade, you select member upgrade. The first one you select, that be VIP. Okay, so take note of the difference. So here, let's say we want to upgrade this account. So upgrade to what? So you select the level. We are already in VIP 5, so it's left with 2 VIP. So we select the next higher one, which is VIP 6. And then now take note of this place. Upgrade deduction account. From which account are we making the upgrade? When you select, you will see consumption point. You see here there is no activation point. So you select your consumption point, and that is it. You don't have any activation point here. It means for an upgrade, you don't need consumption point. All you need, you don't need activation point. All you need is consumption points. So take note the difference. Again, let me just go show you quickly and do your comparison. For activation or becoming a VIP, you need consumption point plus activation point. That is to become VIP. That is what we refer to as activation. If you register your account is inactive, you are not a VIP member yet, it is when you come here and you select VIP and you choose the product, and then you come and make the payment with 70% of consumption points and 30% of activation point. Depending on your VIP, the figures will be there differently. So you can see the payment method, consumption points and activation points. Payment method, consumption points and activation points. So take note and then don't confuse yourself and don't confuse other people. People are even arguing with me with the comment section that it's not possible because of the new upgrade for you to upgrade without activation point. I've been in this system for quite some time and I understand the system quite a bit. So those of you who were arguing with me, I decided to do this video for your sake so that you understand it. And those of you who don't understand and you are misleading your downlines, I want you to take time and watch this video to the end, understand it, and give them the right education, the right information, the right knowledge, so that they understand what they are doing. You can upgrade your account without activation points. So the video I did yesterday, I was advocating that your consumption points are accumulating. You can't withdraw them. You can't do anything with them. And you don't want to register new accounts. And you don't want to refer new people for this time until the system stabilizes. So I just advise, because that's what I'm doing. I'll use them to upgrade the accounts. And later on, when I'm able to accumulate CHY points, I'll decide to trade. And once I trade, once that account is not affected by the advanced credit, it means I'll be earning my full account. And hopefully, if withdrawal normalizes, then I can be in good business and I may be able to withdraw some good money. All right, so take note for the final time. For activation, amount to be paid is both consumption point and activation point. But when it comes to upgrade, it is only consumption point. So take note, you can upgrade an existing VIP, which is activated already. Maybe your problem is that the account was there, but it was not activated, and then maybe it was upgraded. In that case, if you are going to activate that account, then you need consumption point and activation point. But an existing active VIP account, for an upgrade, you only need consumption point, just as you can see here. So here you don't need any payment portal. Once you enter your payment password here and you click submit, that is it. Your account is upgraded, and then the appropriate consumption point should have been here. They will just take it, and then your account is upgraded to the next level. So that is how it works. For activation, yes, you need consumption point and activation point, and we know the percentages. I'll run you through the summary in the presentation here quickly so that you can see. And then for upgrade, all you need is consumption point. So your accumulated consumption point, you can go and upgrade any VIP that is not trading currently, and then if you get your trading capital, you can begin to trade. Let me just refresh your mind. I did a video on this already, and so you can see the various amounts you need for the activation. So you can see this is a VIP2 registration, activation, and trading. So you need $15 for activation points and 35 consumption points, and that's 90 CHY points for trading capital. The total is 140 for VIP3. You need $30 activation point and 70 consumption points. The total is $100. That is the activation fee, and then your trading capital is 180, and then the total is 280 for VIP3 package, which we know of already. VIP4, you need 90 activation points and 210 consumption points. That gives you what? 300 points that you need to activate your VIP4 account. And then the trading capital, of course, is 540. Total is 840, which you know of. VIP5, 180 activation points, 420 consumption points, and then 1080 CHY points for trading capital. Total is 1680. You know of that already. For VIP6, you need 360 activation points and then 840 consumption points to activate a VIP6 account. Trading capital is 2160 CHY points for trading, and then the total is 3372. VIP7, you need $720 activation points. You need 1680 consumption points, and then you need $4320 CHY points for trading capital. Total is 6720. So that's the summary for the breakdown of activation points and consumption points you need to activate each of these VIPs, and then the corresponding CHY points you need for trading capital to trade each of those VIPs, VIP2 to VIP7. So don't confuse yourself. This is activation. It's different from upgrade. So those of you who are confusing yourself, this is just a summary of everything I've just been talking there, so you can see it there. Pause the video and then look at it, and then you can see the different activation points you need for each of the VIPs. All right, so thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification, like, and leave a comment, and let the communication continue. Let us interact. Anything you don't understand, feel free, ask in the comment section. I respond instantly, and then anytime I come online, I respond to your comment if I don't see it immediately. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.